All right, so now let's talk Webull Crypto. So Webull offers cryptocurrencies on their platform. However, there are some specific rules that you have to follow in order to trade crypto on Webull. The first of which is there are only a specific amount of cryptocurrencies actually offered on the platform. There are hundreds and thousands of cryptocurrencies in existence. However, on Webull, you're only able to trade 4 of them, okay? And those 4 are Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Outside of those 4 cryptocurrencies, that's all you've got on the Webull platform. However, you are able to trade those commission-free and 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So unlike the stock market that closes, the cryptocurrency exchange does not close, and on Webull, you're able to buy and sell those whenever you would like without paying any commissions whatsoever. Now, one thing that's very important to keep in mind with Webull Crypto is that you cannot transfer your Webull Crypto to an outside or external wallet. Now, if you're at all familiar with cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency investing, you'll know that it's really important to keep your cryptocurrency safe because unlike your stocks or your ETFs or any kind of cash you're keeping in a bank account, cryptocurrency is not insured. So on the Webull platform, if you've got money invested, okay, if you've got money just sitting in your account or invested in stocks, it's going to be covered by what's called SIPC insurance, okay? And that's going to protect you up to $500,000 if Webull were to go under, if they went out of business, if something bad happened to Webull. But with your cryptocurrency, that is not the case, okay? Because cryptocurrency is not protected. Now, Webull has some measures in place to make sure that the cryptocurrency that they have is secured, but there is no insurance, there's no federally backed insurance there covering you in the case of a loss, of theft, of anything of that nature, okay? So you have to keep that in mind with your cryptocurrency trading. Now, a lot of crypto investors like to keep their cryptocurrency on what's called an external wallet, okay? And this is basically kind of looks like a USB stick that you plug into your computer and you actually keep your crypto on there as opposed to keeping it, say, with Webull or on some kind of exchange. Because if the exchange gets hacked, and these exchanges do get hacked, there is the potential for loss. And like I said, that's not federally covered. So a lot of people like to keep their stuff on an external wallet. However, with Webull Crypto, that is not the case. So you're not actually able to transfer your crypto off of Webull. And they do that for a couple reasons, okay? One of them is to protect you, the investor, from sending your crypto somewhere that you don't want to send it, okay? A lot of scammers will try to take advantage of beginners and ask them to send their crypto to an external wallet. Now, the thing about sending your crypto is there's absolutely no way to get it back, okay? So once that crypto leaves your account, there's no way to get it back. You can't ask for a refund. You can't go to a bank and say, hey, I didn't mean to do that. Can you reverse the charge? Absolutely no way to do that. So that's one of the reasons why Webull does not allow you to transfer your crypto elsewhere. The second reason is that they have to keep track of it for tax reporting purposes, okay? We're gonna get into this a little bit later, but Webull has to report your cryptocurrency gains to the IRS because it has to be taxed. Now, when cryptocurrencies were first getting big, there was a lot of issues about how these things were actually gonna get taxed, and now Webull and all the other platforms are very regulated in that they have to report your cryptocurrency gains to the IRS, and the only way they can keep track of your basis and of your gains is by not allowing you to transfer elsewhere, okay? So that is why on the Webull platform, you cannot actually transfer your crypto elsewhere. So if you are planning on investing in cryptocurrencies, it might be worthwhile to find some kind of broker or exchange that specializes in crypto exclusively, because they're going to be able to allow you to transfer your crypto to an external wallet, which in a lot of cases is going to be a lot safer than keeping it with, say, Webull or on some kind of exchange. So that's what you have to keep in mind with the Webull cryptocurrency platform. Again, it can be great for beginners that just want to invest a little bit of money into Bitcoin, but if you are planning on investing a serious amount of money, it can really be worth your while to make sure that money is adequately protected, and in a lot of cases, putting it on a hardware wallet is definitely the move for that. Now, another thing I want to mention about Webull Crypto is that you're able to buy fractional coins, okay? And this is pretty standard across the cryptocurrency space at this point, but just know that if you want to invest in Bitcoin on the Webull platform, you don't have to fork over tens of thousands of dollars at the moment to buy a single Bitcoin. You can just buy a couple dollars at a time. If you want to, say, put $10 into Bitcoin, you can absolutely do that on Webull. That's pretty standard across most of the cryptocurrency exchanges.